Okay, so let's look at a conversation. Let's practice a conversation. So, Monie, hello. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Sure. Yes. All right. No problem. Sure. No problem. No problem. Where is the train station? Where? Where? Where is? Where is the train station? Where is it? It is down the road and turn left. It is down the road and turn left. Turn left. So we have left and right. So it is down the road and turn left. Down the road. Which road? This road right here. Then turn left. Turn left. How cool is that? Do you know when the museum is open? When? When the museum is open? It is open all day. Open. Come on in. Open. And there's closed. Closed. Open and closed. Closed. How cool is that? From 9 till 5. 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. More or less all day, really. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Where is the entrance? Where? There it is again. Where? Where is the entrance? The part you enter. Welcome. Entrance. Welcome. We have entrance. Welcome. Come on in. And exit. Where you leave. Come on in and then you leave. Entrance. You walk into the entrance. You walk out the exit. How cool is that? Walk out. Very good. Exit. There we are. A little bit nicer. Where is the entrance? It is next to the cafe. Next to the cafe. I am next to the wall. I am next to the whiteboard. Next to. Next to the cafe. The place where you can get coffee, tea, and cake. Cafe. Down there. Down there. Down there. Down there. Which way? Where? Oh, down there. Ah, I get you. Down there. Makes sense. How cool is that? So, hello. Can you help me? Can you help me? Help me. Sure. Sure. Where is the train station? Where? Where is the train station? Where? It is down the road, and turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right, left and right. Do you know when the museum is open? When the museum is open? Open, come on in. It is open all day, from 9 till 5. Thank you. Where is the entrance? Where is the entrance? It is next to the cafe, down there. Next to the cafe, down there. Down there. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.